Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, if you're just joining us now, you are so very welcome. This is episode 15 of 1 to 25 during the Advent season, and if you want to go and watch the other videos, there'll be a little card in the corner so you can binge them all. They're all 10 minutes long, so I hope you have some time if you want to do that, or you can just start here with us today. I have been doing all my episodes in England, but now I'm in Norway, where I am from, with my Scandi jumper. So, what we're going to do today is I'm going to tell you the only reason for you to go to Norway. I know, it's a big statement. Never mind the mountains and the lakes and the beautiful nature. I'm going to tell you the only reason you need to go here. But before we're going to do that, I'm going to do the Pukka Advent calendar. It's looking very sparse. So 15. Ooh. Revitalize. Oh, I love these colours, you know, for like a summer eye look. Nice. A burst of warming organic cinnamon, cardamom and ginger. That sounds nice. Oh, and that smells good. Wow. Wow, I know I say that a lot. I say that a lot. So I asked my grandmother for a cup earlier, and you know, you can't just have a cup. No, you can't just have a cup. We need matching cups and saucers. So I've got this cup here, a little rose on it, a little spoon in it, and the saucer, obviously it matches. So it has to be very nice, very nice. I've got a very nice cup. Sorry. I just saw that and I was like, you could have just given me a cup. Anyway, that was very nice. That was very nice of you. So in it goes. And since I could not take my Lindt chocolate advent calendar with me in my suitcase because it was full to the brim of Christmas presents, Hugo has kindly given me another little video of him doing it. So roll it.
Hi guys, and welcome back to episode 2 of Hugo's Advent Calendar Adventures. I can't remember what I called it. I'll come up with a better name at some point. So it is the 15th, and here we go. So let's have a look. Where are you, 15th? There you are. Let's see what we got today. Ooh, we have a snowman. It's funny, the moment Martine's gone away, all the little balls have started going away. Oh well, never mind. Merry Christmas. See you tomorrow.
Are you ready to see the only reason you should go to Norway? All jokes aside, I'm going to show you some stuff that you can only buy in Norway, and they're so good. Yeah, they're edibles. I'm going to show you my absolute diehard. When we go to the shop when I come back to Norway, beeline. My entire family. Oh, the dog just awoken. You can't crinkle anything. My entire family will know exactly what's going to come up on the screen just now. Sombreros. Or like my dearly departed great-grandmother always said, sombreros. Because she had no idea. She just read it. Before you say, oh, just crisps, stop. These are so good. So they're like cheesy little hats. Look at that. This one says, I love that you're cheesy. And then the cheese says, I love that you're corny. Get it? Get it? Oh god, these are so good. These are so good. And my family never buy them, but then I come home and I buy them, and I put them in a bowl, and they all eat them. I know your game. There is a shop in London called Scandi Kitchen, and they do import Norwegian, Danish, and Swedish food. However, I've never seen them import these. So Scandi Kitchen, please get these. I will literally buy all of them. So good. Okay, but I have a couple of other things. So these are my favourites. Then obviously Hugo has been a couple of times to Norway now, and he's also got his favourite, which is basically the same thing, but with chocolate on them. And they're called Smash, but dipped in chocolate. These you can get at Scandi Kitchen if you want to try them. scandikitchen.co.uk. You can get these, and they're so good. I mean, I will go for the cheesy ones every day of the week, but these, yummy. And then there's one thing. Prepare to either be intrigued or absolutely disgusted. I love something, right, that everyone I've ever met, ever, thinks is absolutely disgusting. Excuse me. I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to tell you what it is. I've already eaten a bit of it. Right. And literally my whole family is now like, This, can you guess what it is? This is fish pudding. I know, it's made exactly how you think it's made. Yeah, it's grinded up fish. Literally though, what this is 54% fish, so it's like cream that it's made with. I love this so much. I'll just cut it into pieces and I'll just you can put it on bread with like some butter or just have it by itself. You can also fry it up. Literally, I've never been able to sway anybody with this. My great grandma, she introduced me to it. Fish pudding. Just the word, you know. If I'd never had it and somebody said to me, oh, would you like some fish pudding? Hell no. If you're brave enough, try it. And I've got a couple of more things to show you that's like proper Christmassy, and you can only get these in Norway as well. Well, one of them you can probably get in the whole of Scandinavia. Well, this is what we call a Christmas soda or a Christmas fizzy. Oh my god, I love them so much. So there are different brands of these. They more or less taste the same, but everyone has their favorite brand of these. Like every single Norwegian, if you ask them, what's your favorite julebrus? They'll all have an opinion about it. So this one is from a place called Hamar, which is a bit further north. So they've got their own brewery up there. There's also a brewery here in Drammen called Ås, but I really like this one. And you've got to love any fizzy in a glass bottle. Love it so much. And then the other one I'm going to show you is, well, to be fair, it's not just a Norwegian thing or a Scandi thing. But in this particular one, so they're basically pepperkaker, which translates to gingerbread, which we all have, obviously. Everyone knows what that is. But these ones, these factory-made gingerbreads, are so good, honestly. In this box, if you can find gingerbread like this, so good. You know, people say, oh no, you can't beat homemade. Yeah, you can. These ones, factory-made gingerbread. I think Scandi Kitchen does these as well, so get your hands on one of these. Oh, and then I have to show you, I met my niece and my nephew, and they've all made Christmas cards. So I got one, look, it's a little family, that's them. And then they've got, here, you see that? They've made a Star Wars Christmas card, and oh my word, this is so cool. And inside, Elliot's put loads of stickers, look at that. Look at the stickers, and I'll show you. I just realised you've probably been looking up my nose for most of this video. Anyway, I really appreciate this. I've kept all of them. I never throw any cards away. We're not getting any dog action today, are we? Hello? You know when it goes quiet? If you have a puppy and it goes quiet, something's not right. He was just sleeping on the floor. Oh, bless his. He's not joining me today. Sad. I just wanted to show you this rat. This is basically when Pelle and all his little brothers and sisters were born. They got like loads of like stuffed animals that they could play with, and the main reason for that was so that they could all, when they went to their separate homes and they got new owners, they could take one with them that would like smell like their brothers and sisters. And this is the one that Pelle got. It's so ugly. Come up. Sometimes I have to help his ass. Here we go. You're gonna say hi to everybody. I got your rat. Oh, and yesterday he was just sat on the floor and he was just like taking the tail of the rat in and out his mouth. He was just like dragging it out and then biting it again and then dragging it out. Is that what you're doing now? You're biting the tail? Yeah, it's all about the tail. It's gonna be so disappointed the day that tail falls out. Yeah, look at that. I was not lying. He loves the tail. Tail. Oh no! Disaster. We need to open the advent calendar. So, 15 vegan delicatessens. In 2016, Hillary Clinton became the first female candidate from a major party to run for president of the United States. Ooh, I've got a little bit of a, it's not a perfume, it's an eau de toilette. What, did you lose your rat? Just like slapping me like, get it, it's like 2 feet to the floor. White musk flora, eau de toilette. The world is a source of beauty. Oh, that's nice. Boop. Ooh. Oh, that's so nice. If you like a floral perfume / body mist, Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, oh, I love this. Oh, that smells amazing. Yeah, if you want to check this out, white musk flora. Oh, we have to try the tea. We're bordering on bath water again, guys. If it's actually revitalizing you, it's obviously worth it. But I wouldn't buy this for the taste, definitely not. Guys, I completely forgot. It's Sunday today. Oh my goodness. So we need to light the candles. So this is me from after I filmed the video, and I'm gonna light them for you now. Right, this is it. How cute is that? So it's the 3rd Sunday. You watching? Yeah. And we need to light 3 candles. Which means it's very much almost time for Christmas. Do you reckon? Do not eat the table. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I'm pretty sure that you're now very intrigued about these. Or maybe even this. That's it for this video. I hope you did enjoy it. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and ring the little bell so you get notified every time I upload. And then stick around for tomorrow's video. I'm going to talk about really disgusting things that Norwegians eat. You would not believe some of these things. I can't believe some of these things. So stay tuned for that. That will be tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. So have a lovely, lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.